Are you using the right retinol serum for your skin concerns? If your skin goals are to brighten your overall complexion, to soften and smooth your skin texture, plus even skin tone, reduce hyperpigmentation and post-blemish marks, then our retinol recovery serum might be for you. This is an amazing beginner level retinol. I say that, I'm nearly 30 and I've been using it for a couple of years now, but it all depends on your skin tolerance and your skin needs. This is going to gradually improve your skin tone and texture whilst caring for your skin barrier, so you're going to experience no dryness, peeling or irritation. It contains 0.05% of pure retinol, which is a really gentle level that's been clinically proven to reduce hyperpigmentation. The retinol is going to increase cell turnover to improve skin tone and texture. It contains 5% niacinamide, which is going to inhibit pigmentation, brighten skin and strengthen the skin barrier. It also contains 5% Morris Elba extract, which is going to fade discolorations for an even skin glow. So I'm sure you've heard this all before, but you only need a pea-sized amount. So it is gentle enough that you can use it every night, but we recommend using it every other night and alternating with an acid-based serum in between. You need to use this consistently for at least 8 weeks to see results. So if you're looking for a gentle retinol serum to help retexturize and brighten skin, then give our retinol recovery serum a go.